Do you remember when I told you that you can do on ChatGPT more than 12 unbelievable things, like you can create your own AI SaaS tools, Chrome extensions, and so on? And for sure, if you haven't watched this video yet, you can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. And as for real example, I just spent the whole day to create my own AI SaaS tool to help you more to make money online and in your marketing campaigns. And that proves that you can do all this stuff with no need to hire a freelancer or a fancy agent. So you can do all this stuff by yourself at your home to make money online. So now let me show you this pretty cool tool. This tool says RemoCarousel. As you see, this homepage of my tool, but it's specialized to create your carousel post. It's one of the most effective posts on social media to get more conversions, to get more sales, and much more. Because carousel post gives a watcher or the customer the full control of how he watches this post. Just you can swipe these pages to right or the left as he wants, and for sure your call to action is more visible than any other post format. And not only that, you can actually gives him the power to download your carousel post as PDF images to his device and so on. So carousel post is amazing post that you can depend on while you are promote something to wanna get more traffic to your website and the like. So here this RemoCarousel is for creating your carousel post. And here the kicker in this amazing website, here you can export your carousel post as a PDF file. And why PDF, Raymond? Because PDF is a sharp and high quality content for customers. It gives you this PDF file with the LinkedIn dimensions. So it's ready to use and ready to export and publish immediately to LinkedIn platform. Moreover, I will show you an amazing feature on this PDF that would blow your mind, and integration with amazing platform. I will talk about that shortly in this video. But firstly, let me show you how awesome this tool. I depend on ChatGPT and my WordPress account to create this amazing tool. By all these pages, this structure, as you see, this pro tip, why use carousels, why choose RemoCarousel, and so on. And you can find in these pages as well premium pages, as you can see in different popular websites, like this one for contact us. Here you can find this amazing page like this one. As you see this, you can insert your name, your email address, and your message if you have suggestions, opinions, and much more. So now if you head over to this pricing plans, and definitely I just monetize this tool, just you can do anything with your AI tool for any niche, for any topic. If you're interested in the weight loss or the finance niche, you can create your own AI SaaS tool and monetize it to make money online. So here, as for the pricing plans, here if you want to have a look at this, I just make these plans here, starting with free plan, 2 credits daily. Yes, I just rely on credit system, 2 credits daily with a background, just a colorful background, gradient 1, soft green, PDF download. And as for upgrade your free plan to pro plan with 5 credits daily and with emojis, okay, to add a visual object in your PDF slide to be more elegant and appealing, and with pro backgrounds, more pro backgrounds, and export up to 7 slides as PDF. Okay, in contrast, this is free plan just in 5 slides. And as for the highest plan is premium one, 5 credits, emojis, premium backgrounds more than the pro, generate up to 10 extended slides. And moreover, you can find this exclusive option, save and load sessions locally, faster slide generation speed, deeper insights, and smarter content as you want. And for sure, just to give you a sweet deal here in this amazing tool. If you just get the Query Profit Vault product that contains over 50,000 Google questions in about 90 niches, about 4,000 hot topics, I will give you a whole 3 months of pro plan. Yes, I just mean it. So try this tool together in this free plan and in pro plan in order not to elongate more in this video. So as for this free plan as a free user, so I will leave its link down below in the description box, okay, in the first comment, to test out this amazing website. And here in this box, just insert your topic as you want. And for sure, if you got the Query Profit Vault product, you can find the most pressing questions or topics people are looking for content to answer these questions. And for sure, if you, for example, insert here a topic like how to lose weight, how to swim faster, for example, like faster than before and so on, and choose backgrounds, here you can find a list of these backgrounds are sorted by plan, soft green or soft green for free users only, and the rest for pro and the premium plans. So as for my plan user like this one, soft green, and generate your slides from this button. And just in a few seconds here you can find these slides ready as you observe. Amazing. Okay, and now download your PDF. And it could be like this one as you see, this the gradient background and your title and your bullet points and so on as you see. And here if you notice this one, I just give you the full power of your generated PDF slides, because I just leave this spot in this left and in this bottom, because you can actually customize your own PDF or your carousel post as you want, not like the other users, the same theme, the same structure and so on. But so you have the upper hand how you can customize these slides by inserting your picture, your call to action, your social media handles and the like. So how you can do that? Simply and smoothly with a beautiful integration with canva.com, and I'll show you how you can do that shortly by showing you the pro plan. So here, as for a pro user like this one for example, here you can go to this box, insert your topic like the previous one, for example, how to swim faster, or the best horror movies at all time, for example, okay, and choose backgrounds. Here you can find these options would be opened for you, so I will select this one, elegant blue, and generate your slides. And just in few seconds here it would craft a beautiful slice with emojis and with extended slides to 7 slides per your PDF or your carousel post as you observe. Okay, so now download your PDF, that's it, with your emojis and so on. And now regarding the talking about this left and this bottom of your slides and how you can customize it in your canva.com by a beautiful integration. Here in the homepage of my tool, you can find this note as you see. So if you click over this one, it guides you step by step how you can customize your PDF beautifully and with a magical touch on canva.com. So I will show you live. So go together to canva.com. You can find in this dashboard of templates on Canva this option that says upload. So click over that and upload your PDF file or your exported and your generated PDF from RemoCarousel tool. So upload your file, then magically your PDF is converted to beautiful slides as you see. So you can actually customize it as you want by changing anything else, or you can add your own social media handles, your call to action, your profile picture and so on and so forth. So for example here, if you head over to this elements section on Canva and look for anything relevant to this topic like movies for example, or a brand logo for yourself. So for example, just you can insert this movie, okay, and I will do this one like actually do this one for example, okay. Okay, or add something like arrows to direct the customer to swipe right to left and so on, shapes, graphics, and I will select this one as you see. So here you can actually get leverage of these spaces by inserting your own customization or your brand, or add something relevant to your topic more from Canva library to make your own carousel post more professional and polished, and unlike others who are using the same tool, RemoCarousel. So you can actually, when you're done with all these customization on all these slides, you have different options. Either you can download the same carousel as PDF, okay, or PNG. So you can upload on TikTok, Instagram, and so on, or you can actually download as PDF standard and directly publish on LinkedIn platform. So that way you can use this tool completely for free. And I said earlier, if you just get the Query Profit Vault, because it gives you relevant informations and the questions that you can use here in RemoCarousel to generate your beautiful carousel posts, I will give you a pro plan for whole months completely for free. Just inform me using the contact us if you just get Query Profit Vault. I will leave all these links down below in the description box and the first comment. So you can actually create your own AI SaaS tool by yourself. Just need some focus and ChatGPT or different other APIs and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.